Steam cleaners are one of those products that look amazing online. You see the steam hit the dirt, the grime starts melting, and suddenly you're thinking, yeah, I need one of those. So today we are checking out the SakerPlus Steam Cleaner, and the model is the CP97052. We'll apologize because the box came damaged during shipping, so we just gonna start this way, unfortunately. So this is a compact handheld steam cleaner designed for kitchen, bathroom, furniture, windows, car interiors, and basically all those annoying little areas that are hard to clean by hand. But the real question is, does it actually clean well? Or is it just another gadget that looks better in the ad than it does in real life? We're going to unbox it, go over what comes inside, set it up, test it around our house, and I'll tell you what I like, what I don't like, and whether I think it's worth picking up. All right, let's get into the unboxing. All right, quick disclaimer before I get started. This unit was sent out to me for review. So my idea behind this, when Saker reached out, they had different products, but I was looking into because I do purchase a lot of PC cases from Facebook Marketplace, and a lot of times, man, listen, they come very grimy, and some of them come from like smoking homes and stuff like that. I usually use my air duster and then a little bit of elbow grease to kind of clean them out. But so I was thinking about using this, but I did kind of think it over and go against it because this is pretty much steam, hot steam, and it's just water, so it can still damage the coating on the case, and also create rust over time. And I'm talking about empty PC case, people, nothing that has any components. Never use anything like this on electronics. Not bad idea. Also, a quick note: always check your own box and manual for the exact spec and safety instruction, because steam cleaners can get extremely hot. Also, I'm testing it as a real world user, not in the lab, so I'm focusing on high performance for everyday cleaning. And of course, don't point steam at your skin, pets, electronics, painted surface, unsealed wood, or anything that can be damaged by heat or moisture. All right, so inside the box, let's see. So we got the main event, the steam cleaner itself. Pretty long cord. It comes with, of course, it will come with all the warnings. How to check that out. I already have the user manual out. Just a couple pages. Actually, 4 pages. That's all. Alright, I'm just gonna dump everything here because I just threw this box away. So, okay. So of course we have quite a few accessories here. So again, I'm not an expert in steam cleaner, so I'm assuming this little funnel to put the water in, and probably this cup just to assist. That's why they probably inside each other. Of course, you got your big warning here. So I use regular steamer because I like ironing clothes and stuff. So just to remove wrinkle from my my clothes, but again, not in this type. But I'm kind of similar. It does have a wider head though for the clothing. So this is literally just with this nozzle just to point at things, and yeah. So specs wise, I'm sure this probably heat up quite a bit. So always unplug. So the warning says here, always unplug the power before opening the cap and refilling with water. Failure to do so can result in severe burn. Oh yeah. Yeah, so pretty much same warning as the one I have for my clothes. Yeah, you do not, or at least turn it off. I don't know if this doesn't have a turn on off button. My other one does. this is like you just you go ahead and put the water in. Oh yeah, so yeah, they do have like a seal rubber gasket on the inside here, so to keep water from coming out. So that's some serious stuff here. So that up. So all right, so let's see. So okay, so yeah, so it is a this is the window wiper. So this is a window wiper, and then you got this is an iron brush. So like this attached to this one when you're ready to, I guess, clean the windows. So okay, so we kind of find the answer to that, and just checking this out here. Of course, 110, 120 volts, yes. So it's 380 milliliters. That's the water tank capacity for this, and working capacity says 280, so about 100 milliliters less. And heating time about 3 minutes. Okay, so yeah, pretty much yeah, that's about it. So okay, so yeah, this is the okay, this is extension hose, right? We got you got the this is a nozzle head, because I did mention this, the brush head, and this is the steaming iron, the window wiper, and of course we got ourselves the funnel and the cup, a measuring cup. It's just a cloth cover. Okay, so all right, this is it as far as that goes. So we're gonna go ahead and jump into some cleaning and see how these things perform. Okay, so first order of things, we are going to start with the shower door. And as you know, they always, like, over time, I usually do squeegee the glass door out, like, after shower, but it doesn't help, like, you know, soap scum just stick to the door, and like a little bit of elbow grease to kind of take them out. And then of course, while we're on the subject of glass door, are mirrors. You know, so mirrors tend to be dirty, especially this is the door, closet door, and of course by touching it all the time, you know, you leave fingerprints on it. And another cool practical use of the steamer is you can steam your clothes. I do have a regular steamer that I use for my clothing. It's a bit different from this, but a bit smaller as well. So I usually have to refill it a couple times before if it's a lot of wrinkles. So having a bigger tank, and here it's very convenient. Right here, I think I was running out of steam, literally. So I had to go ahead and do a refill. And again, with the refill, guys, just unplug the steamer, let it cool off for a while, because when remember it's a pressurized, it's really pressurized. So, and you won't be able to unscrew it anyway until it starts cooling off. So, so I'm back in the shower. This is trying to get that door little thing here. So. Yeah, so yeah, these things I usually scrub them from time to time when I'm doing a deep cleaning. As you can see, it did a pretty good job at kind of loosening them up a little bit. But at this point, again, guys, you can use different attachment. Like something like these, you probably need a brush to have physical how you steaming and scrubbing it at the same time. So the brush could be a good use, and here too in the sink. This is the top of the toilet. Again, just be mindful too when you're using this, it's spraying whatever dirt and then whatever direction you're facing. So keep that in mind. So this is what's pretty much spraying it into the wall or everywhere pretty much. So you do have to be ready to wipe down the area. Now we're jumping back into the sink, the kitchen sink. Get a little clean, because a lot of time your sink over time get clogged up, and when water going down slowly. And also King of a Steamer also has a quote unquote sanitizer, just with the heat. So extreme heat just tend to like kill bacteria and things like that. So this is why your shower and your sink, it's a good things to use. And again, in this video, I kind of, just to be more convenient by using the long nozzle. But again, tons of accessories. Again, things that need scrubbing. You can use the brush, and also you can use the shorter nozzle if you don't want to deal with this one. Like look at this one here. So as you can see, it's just literally loosen up all this dirt that was sitting right under the drain. So yeah, it's very practical. Again, some scenarios you use the best accessories that. And last but not least, we are doing the strip underneath the entrance door. So the attachments are pretty easy to put in. Some just slide over the main nozzle. Take this out. Slide over. Make sure it's tight. Take it out. And some, if you notice, has those notches that attach to these. And what you do, you just turn them until they're secure. Pull it out. Same thing. The long one. And then, as you can see, okay, this was the one I was using to remove some wrinkles on my shirt. Now, if you want to use the little squeegee head, oh, I had the wrong way. Okay, that's it. So this is pretty much all the attachment that it came with, and how you go ahead and put them together.